Hello, I'm Logan from Miro AI Studio. Starting with blank boards feels overwhelming. Skip the setup struggle and create your first Miro board using features that get you collaborating immediately. In Miro, the canvas is the prompt. Open a new board, select what you want to create, and write your prompt. Need a diagram, table, doc, or prototype? Just ask for it, and Miro gives you a starting point. Click Templates to browse thousands of ready-made frameworks for brainstorming, project planning, workshops, and strategy sessions. Choose Blueprints for comprehensive multi-board workflows like goal setting or product launches. Skip the blank canvas and start with proven structures teams actually use. Click Sidekicks and select Sticky Note. Use this prompt. Generate 16 brainstorming ideas for improving team communication, including meeting formats, feedback processes, and async workflows. Miro AI creates organized sticky notes instantly, instead of you staring at empty sections wondering what to add. Select your AI-generated sticky notes, click Miro AI, and create a document with this custom prompt. Create an action plan summary with prioritized recommendations, implementation steps, and success metrics based on these communication improvement ideas. Your brainstorm becomes a structured plan without manual note-taking or formatting. Select your new document and use Miro Flows. Choose Table with this prompt. Convert this action plan into a project table with columns for initiative, priority level, owner, timeline, resources needed, and success indicators. Transform text-based plans into visual project tracking that teams can execute immediately. You can change the view to make it a timeline, or even a Kanban board as well for different project management styles. Add frames around each section. Press F to create a custom frame instantly. Name each frame clearly for easy navigation. Frames create professional structure and help teams focus on specific areas. Click the plus icon in the left toolbar and browse Miro Marketplace for integrations. Add tools like Jira for task management, Slack, Adobe Express, and more. Enhance your board with powerful features your team already uses. Try these features in your first Miro board today. For complete guidance, check our Mastering Miro playlist and the Miro Academy. Links in the description. Subscribe for more beginner tutorials that help you master visual collaboration. Thanks for watching, and remember, I may be digital, but watching new users discover Miro's power never stops being exciting.